हेलो अविनाश।
हेलो पूनम, कैसी हो?
आई एम फाइन, आप कैसे हैं?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। और कैसा चल रहा है कोविड-19 सिचुएशन?
ये तो खैर कोविड सिचुएशन तो जो अभी है वो हम सभी को ही अभी ऐसी चीजों में डाल रखा है कि पर्सनली एंड प्रोफेशनली ऑल ऑफ अस आर इफेक्टेड।
या
बट
या
या
So, first we'll introduce Poonam. Today our topic is how to start a business in low budget with Poonam, founder of Chaukhut. It means bring happiness to your door. Miss Poonam bring a whole new trend for jewelry and garments inspired by nature, or generally the natural things are there. Back with media study from Sophia College, Mumbai, and then go to the management study in ISB Hyderabad. Bring a power back combination of creative entrepreneur skill to her business. So this is little about Poonam Chaudhary. अगर
थैंक यू सो मच अविनाश।
yeah
जहाँ तक अविनाश जी की बात है, आई नो हिम सिंस आई थिंक मोर देन 10 years. We met
yeah
through NIFT sessions, and he graduated from NIFT Gandhinagar in fashion and apparel design. And also, he has a very good exposure in industrial, things like company like Ginny Johnny and place like in Bangalore and in Mumbai. And currently, he is the professor. You're the professor in KIT, which is commendable, Mr. Avinash.
thank you, thank you. So today we are gathered for the gathering some information from you.
Sure.
How is your business here? How is going?
Honestly, when it comes to garment industry, तो कहीं ना कहीं
Yeah,
garment का हर इंडस्ट्री इफेक्ट हुई है अभी कोविड-19 से।
yeah,
लेकिन there are few new opportunities also, like for
yeah.
youngsters जिनके पास knowledge है, talent है, thanks to the power of
Hmm.
internet, that we
Yeah.
can grab those opportunities in this situation.
Internet
So
plays a very important role this
very,
time.
very, very, very important
We
role. मतलब
we
I
are yeah, we are also connected through internet right now.
Yes, yes. I mean, I am seeing old school style boutiques, like boutiques which are being handled by aunties who are like above the age of 50, 55, and they are in the age of 60. And even they are like, getting online in this situation. Even they are getting their business run, through online and through social media platform,
Yeah.
which is completely a new phase that we're gonna see now.
I wanted to ask you some question from my student side also. How
Yes,
how
sure.
how your exciting journey of a small business starts actually? We wanted to know. This is the common question everybody wants us to know how your exciting business is there. मतलब how you start?
अ, अविनाश, आई वुड से दैट अगर किसी चीज को आप बहुत ज्यादा दिल से चाहते हो, वो आपको काम काम नहीं लगेगा. यू विल एंजॉय दैट थिंग.
Yeah,
And the same thing happened with me. Like I have a background of mass communication, जिसके अंदर काफी क्रिएटिव चीजें आती हैं, like photography and communicating with all age groups. So somewhere down the line, कभी भी कुछ भी सीखा हुआ वेस्ट नहीं जाता है.
yeah,
वो
right,
हमारे
right.
बिजनेस में एंड हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में it does help. So I think Chokat started like 4 years back in 2016, and honestly, it was there was no there, Chocolate till date doesn't have any fixed store or anything like that. It started online, and जब आप कोई भी online business start करते हो, online means I was not even trained कि उसको register कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. I was very would say layman how to start. So social media platform was the biggest platform. Thanks to Facebook, thanks to Instagram, जिसमें you can create your own page, you can showcase your creativity, and you can bring in masses, depending on how your content of the page is. And that's how it happened. And that's how Chocolate's journey started like 4 years back. I started with very, small things like flower jewelry, but I made it big on my page. Flower jewelry,
Yes,
when you
yes.
hear, people would say, "Oh, it's very common nowadays." I know nowadays it's common, but 4 years back, that was the latest trend that was happening in weddings.
Yeah.
But what even कहते हैं ना, अगर आप एक अगरबत्ती भी बेच रहे हैं लेकिन अगर आप उसको अच्छे से एडवर्टाइज करें, अच्छे से कंटेंट डाले, तो वो भी एक अपने आप में काफी
एक
अच्छी चीज की तरफ बिक
अच्छे
सकती है।
मेन थिंग
या
है आपका डेडिकेशन। आप जो चाहते हैं वो कैसे कहीं ना कहीं से आपसे जुड़ते जाता है। ये जो फिल्म का
या
डायलॉग भी है ना कि जो आप शिद्दत से चाहो वो आपको मिल ही जाता है। तो आप जो शिद्दत से लगे रहे वो आपके लिए काफी अच्छी बात है।
I think Avinash, when it comes to online business, two things are very important. One is because when you do a business on your own, everything is on your head. You are one man army. So आपका सिर्फ उसमें selling and marketing नहीं आता है, सिर्फ profit and selling and things are not there. There are a lot other things that are involved, like being creative, being good content writer, being a nice photographer. Like when you start your one man army, आप अकेले हो, आप सारी चीजें खुद करते हो। लेकिन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में बेस्ट पार्ट ये है, यू कैन ब्लफ पीपल, ब्लफ एज इन, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू नीड टू लाई देम, बट
Yeah.
आपका स्टोर वही है, ऑनलाइन वही है। अगर आप अच्छे पिक्चर्स डालोगे, people can assume it as big as you can, even if you're running from your garage. Nobody would
Yes,
know,
yes.
like, from where are you running.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So
those are the things.
so many audience are there. So take as is there as Misra or Kritika, Neha. Thank you for joining each and everyone. Richa Agarwal. So nice to see you guys. Swati, Sakshi, Prasant, and so many others. Stay connected, guys. We are come with so many vital information with Poonam Chaudhary. Chowkhat is a very good platform. So Poonam, our next question is tips for a start a small business. Set up, matlab, everyone wants to set a business. Everyone have some idea when we are in college or we are in a study
Right,
or we are in a job. Somewhere
right.
something in a mind. Everyone have something in a mind. Ki, I have a small business. And what
Right.
challenges you have overcome in your business? Matlab, so many challenges you face na during a starting times and uh,
Definitely.
so people wants to know about how the small setup will going on for your experience.
Yeah, Avinash, I think for any person when they start a low budget business, because आप जब शुरुआत करते हो, the main thing that comes in mind is seed capital and bootstrapping. Seed capital हुआ जो आप अपना investment कहाँ से डालोगे. So technically this term is referred for business because आपको वो seed capital आता है friends and family से. आप एक
Yes,
small
sir.
amount से शुरू करते हो and that's how you, the first question is investment. चाहे वो छोटे से छोटे अमाउंट का हो या बड़े से बड़े अमाउंट का हो. Now the second thing is bootstrapping. Bootstrapping is like using your own resources. आपके पास खुद के जो existing resources है, चाहे आप गराज से रन करें, अपने घर से रन करें, it doesn't matter when you are in an online platform. The best part about online platform is there are no rent, there are no electricity bills, there are no expenses. And how you maintain your page, how you maintain your photography skill, how you maintain and deal your customers actually reflects about how your store looks like. So it's basically an assumption, a false assumption that you can give to your customers, that they can assume by seeing your page, whether you're running from your bedroom, from your garage, from your house, from your anywhere. It
And
doesn't matter.
best thing is that 24 into 7 we can online
Exactly,
we can show is
exactly,
we can show our
exactly.
presence 24 into 7.
Exactly. That's the best thing.
Well,
And like the store timings are like limited, like 9 to 8 or 11 to 8 or something like that. When you run an online store, even at midnight, if somebody has a query or has a question, you can, if you're awake, you are free to answer them. And that gives them that, oh my God, 24/7 service is there. So you
yeah.
are somewhere down the line more connected to your customers, what I personally feel is.
In the
And
world, there are somewhere is daytime, somewhere is nighttime.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Yeah, so definitely it does connect globally, and I honestly feel that when I started Chocolate like 4 years back, I started with flower jewelry and baby shop products. The garment thing came in Chocolate a year later, like when I gained experience, because even I was very new with everything, right from designing Chocolate's logo to posting it to editing it, like you're doing everything on your own. but how you talk to your customers and how you make them believe, is all about the game online, like, but there are few technical things that you should maintain to look and sound professionally, like, you should have at least a professional, an official email ID of your company or a firm, an official page. I would not recommend that you post your, your business things related in your personal ID or something like that. That doesn't give a good image about your branding things and all.
या एक और अच्छी चीज है मुझे लगती है ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में कि अगर आप घर पे रहते हो तो यू कैन विथ योर फैमिली और अपनी फैमिली को भी टाइम दे सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं
Exactly.
और साथ साथ
Exactly.
अपना काम भी कर सकते हैं अगर आप बिजनेस करते हो कहीं ऑफिस जाना हो तो इस टेकन
Yes.
या
And I
इस
would
टेकन लॉट्स
say,
we
I would
invest lots of time to travel different
travel.
places.
And this
Yeah.
online thing is a boom for women. I mean, especially for women because of, because of their child or whatever reason, because of their whole household chores. Somewhere down the line, एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के बाद उनके करियर में कहीं ना कहीं एक स्टॉपेज आ जाता है, एक बैरिकेड आ जाता है. But when you're online, even if you are expecting, even if you have a child, even if you have household chores, it doesn't stop you from what you want to do. So that is the biggest
Yeah.
advantage of being online and
Yes.
doing things.
So next thing we wanted to know what how to manage all the things and what your customer experience. मतलब you are managing so many things. मतलब you are only one army, I think, for this business. So how you manage all
Yes.
the things?
जैसे शुरुआत में मैंने अविनाश बोला था कि इफ यू आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग, वो आपको काम नहीं लगता, वो आप यू स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग इट. You would not believe, if you browse through my page, like, initially when I was doing flower jewelry, there जो models हैं, those are actually my cousins. I
Yeah.
got them ready. I got them, like, मैं उनका, I was the makeup person. I was the person who was doing photography also. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में आप जो होते हैं ना, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली का हेल्प करके, एंड दोज आर द पीपल आई कंसिडर दैट दे आर द पिलर्स ऑफ चॉकलेट. अगर वो नहीं होते तो शायद मैं हिम्मत नहीं करती इतना कुछ शुरुआत करने का, बिकॉज आपको
Yes.
इनिशियली यू नीड पिलर्स, इनिशियली you need
Yeah.
people who can help you. And there were my cousins who were there, who were ready to be model for chocolate, and मैंने उनको रेडी कर करके शॉट किया है. इवन फोटोग्राफी इनिशियली, one of my family friends' son, he was like, ready to do photography. He was just to do photography for your chocolate, and they were readily agreeing because they were seeing the content that, it's very professional. We are not misusing it. And when they used to send us the picture, we used to take their permission that if they allow, then only we will post their picture with chocolate's watermark. So these small things really build up a good brand image in your customer's eye and in their mind, so those things
Yeah.
are like really important to maintain a brand image.
So many new viewers are joining. Uh, Thanks for coming. Aura is there. Saloni is there.
If any of the viewers have any questions, they are feel free to
They
ask.
they can comment in the comment section, and
Yes.
so many loves from we get the so many loves from the our viewers. So thank you for so many loves. Uh, वैसे भी बिजनेस पूनम लगता है कि बिजनेस करने के लिए एक आदमी से सारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, तो वी नीड सम पीपल टू ज्वाइन. अगर अकेले सोचे तो वी आर डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. अकेले वी हैव टू कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग एवरीथिंग, बट वी नीड पीपल्स टू इंक्रीज आवर बिजनेस.
देखिए, जब मैं कहती हूँ कि हम घर पे अकेले शुरू कर रहे हैं, वो एक्चुअल में अकेले नहीं होते हैं. अब लाइक इन्वेस्टर, हु इज द इन्वेस्टर इन माय बिजनेस? Obviously my father-in-law. So कहीं ना कहीं वो, we don't give the technical term, the professional term to our family members, but they do play a major role as a business partner or as a business involvement. So for example, अगर मैं कुछ भी अपने पेज पे कुछ भी मुझे दिखाना होता है, I take the consultancy of my husband that is it fine, is it nice? So that's basically a work of critic and analyst. So कहीं ना कहीं वो we don't tag a professional term, but we do have the business role models around us. We are not doing anything alone. We do have business, involvement of family members, and each of them have their own roles to play. And that's how
Yes.
it is going. Like I said, my cousins and all, they played a very major role in playing as a model for chocolate, which that is also one of the part of the involvement of the business. I can't say that I did everything alone. बिना
Yes,
किसी के
right,
नहीं
right.
होता है.
नहीं होता है, yeah, right, right.
Yeah, and challenges definitely, as you asked about challenges बहुत होते हैं जब आप ऑनलाइन शुरू करते हैं. सबसे मेजर चैलेंज होता है ट्रस्ट, because you are online, they are not in physical contact with you, they are not seeing you, they don't even know you. Because when I started Chocolate, within 6 months I started getting orders not just from India but also from abroad.
Yeah,
And so the first thing comes is trust. अगर आप online कर रहे हो, अगर आप professionally हर चीज maintain करो with proper watermark, with proper pictures, whatever feedbacks you're getting from your customers, you post it on your page. So वो post करने से क्या होता है, बाकी viewers जो आपके हैं, they build up a trust. Okay, there are people who are buying and they're giving good reviews about our product. So definitely there must be something good about things. So these are
yeah,
small things which build up the trust on your page. Because जो youngsters हैं, अब obviously Facebook and Chalkhut ने ये platform दिया है that you can create your page and you can start your online business for free of cost. And if
yes,
you want
yes.
to invest for advertising, which is a very minimum cost that you can, invest for
Yeah, well,
masses.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. But
So,
yes, professionally maintain करना बहुत जरूरी है to build up the trust.
yeah. New viewers is coming. Saloni is there. Margi Patel is there. Thank you guys for joining. So next, a very important question from our viewer side is, what is your advice to people who wants to venture into entrepreneurship? And it is a good idea to start something new after COVID-19 situation we are going through or facing the situation. Staying home and social distancing is there. Online business is good for this, but what is your view to somebody who wants to venture to the
Avinash, I would say that video making and photography is going to change the game because of this COVID-19 thing. I mean, not just in garment industry or any other particular industry, but अगर आप Facebook का page खोले, right from recipes to whatnot, what you see, the content is videos. And the kind of videos that you make that attracts, the content should be attractive, to be very honest. And people are making a boom out of that. So definitely COVID-19 ने बहुत सारे गेम चेंज किए हैं. मैंने आपको बोला ओल्ड स्कूल थे वो लोग भी आज के दिन ऑनलाइन आ रहे हैं because of social distancing. So somewhere down the line, if you're online starting something, it's helping in social distancing also. It's keeping you busy also at home because you are keep clicking pictures and you're posting it, and it just not adds profit to your business, but it also adds creativity to you. You learn 10 different things बिकॉज आप उस एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए 10 अलग अलग चीजें कर रहे हो ना. आप सिर्फ फोटो नहीं क्लिक कर रहे हो, आप उसको एडिट कर रहे हो, आप उसको पोस्ट कर रहे हो, आप उस पर वाटरमार्क कर रहे हो, एंड देन अगर आपको कोई इंक्वायरी आ रही है आप क्लाइंट हैंडल भी कर रहे हो. यू आर हैंडलिंग योर कस्टमर्स ऑल्सो डीलिंग विद दैट. सो I believe you learn 10 different things when you're working online rather than sitting on a store, because if you're sitting on a store, you're just dealing one-to-one customership, that's it.
yeah,
बट
yeah.
बट ऐसे आपको 10 नई चीजें सीखने मिलती है, जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है.
और अभी के टाइम में तो काफी सारा हेल्प भी मिल रहा है, मतलब ऑनलाइन इज देयर, सबके पास मोबाइल है, सबके पास कंप्यूटर है,
यस
और
यस
मोबाइल इज कॉमन, और इंटरनेट है. हम लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग के टाइम पे इंटरनेट कितनी मुश्किल से उपलब्ध होती थी. इवन इन कॉलेज समथिंग इज ब्लॉक, लाइक यूट्यूब इज ब्लॉक्ड बाय अथॉरिटी की कम इंटरनेट खर्च हो. अभी तो
या
जियो के आने के बाद इट्स बूम, लाइक एवरीथिंग
यस.
इज बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू बी बूम. तो ऑनलाइन
Internet has played a very major role in current business scenario. I think it has changed the entire ball game of how business runs, and it's a very good thing for youngsters because they are not technically challenged like like how elderly people are. So I think they are lucky enough that the
yeah.
youngsters, the youth of India, at least they are educated, they know they're not technically challenged. So if you, why not to use it, why not to utilize it for something productive,
Yeah, so
and
many things
something
are
which is and something which is for free of cost, like
yeah,
just if you are really good at anything, be it in any sector. Even I would say if you're good at cooking, why not to start learning first. अगर आपको नहीं आता है आप learn करो how to make a video, how to click a picture, start making it professional, and just open your page, create a page, and start posting it. You never know how things would turn around.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So many stories are there. We are listening so many stories for business who are starting online now. They are getting successful, or in
Yes.
short a span of time they are getting the huge number of customers also. So
Yes, I think the masses, like from my personal experience, Avinash, I would say, like I'm sitting in Patna, and when I started Chocolate, I started getting orders from Pan India. There were so many cities which I've never heard. Like in South India, Kerala के कोई गांव से मुझे phone आ रहा है, and that thing used to make me feel so happy that Chocolate is reaching to so many masses, and not just in India. Within 6 months, I started getting orders from Dubai, Australia. I've even shipped to Switzerland. So it's a very good feeling, when people across the globe are knowing your brand and you're just sitting in Patna, and people know you, people know the
yeah,
brand. So this is the magic of online game, online business. So
yeah,
अगर आप स्टोर करते हो, आपके इतने expenses होते हैं, to be very honest, and it is only limited to your to your city, to your community, to your particular region. It's not reaching out to masses.
yes, yes. So
So yeah.
for next very important questions in everybody minds when we start any business, the main thing is marketing and promotions. So what is your best idea for marketing and promotions?
See, for
Yeah,
marketing and promotion, when you start initially, सबसे बड़ा factor मैंने आपको बताया trust. अगर आप trust
yes,
build करते हो, you get good customers. And उससे क्या होता है? Word of mouth. Word of mouth is the biggest advertising source. It's free of cost and it adds more value, more trust to 10 other customers that you would be getting in future. So I think if you follow your ethics well in business, if you follow your, heart, and you are true to your, ethics and everything, आपका word of mouth से बड़ा advertising कुछ नहीं है. And trust me, Chocolate, that's how it started. Because मेरे को whatever feedback I got, I dedicatedly posted it on my page so that other people also get to know, and it builds up the trust to them. And we have always dealt our customer with more than what they expect. We always surprise them with our service so that it builds up the trust, and it's just not to them, it also goes by word of mouthing to 10 other people through them.
yeah. So some more viewers are joining. Dullu is joining. Hi, Dullu. And so one more, Saloni. I have a question. So you are free to ask any questions, Saloni. You can ask any questions. So many loves from viewer side. So thank you everyone. और एक चीज और, अभी अभी के लोग जितना ऑनलाइन टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, जितने भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जितने भी लोग हैं, तो उन लोग से यही कहेंगे कि आप लोग अगर पर्टिकुलर टाइम अगर सही से लगाते हो अपनी ऑनलाइन चीजों में, ऑनलाइन चीजें आजकल क्या है कि कम्युनिकेशन इतना बढ़ गया है कि हम लोग को सेग्रीगेट करना पड़ रहा है कि विच कम्युनिकेशन वी वांट. Actually, there are so
Right.
many communication and so many messages in our mobile. When we are sleeping, we get the call from some banks or some other places, which we do not know, that do not want. बट इसको कैसे सेग्रीगेट करना है और कौन से नॉलेज को हमें लेना है और कौन से को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना, मतलब एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है उसमें से, उस पर काफी ध्यान देना है. और अगर आप लोग ध्यान देके कुछ भी करोगे तो इट्स ऑल गुड फॉर यू. आर वी अलाउड टू ज्वाइन? Not now. We'll talk to you separately. Are we allowed to join Chalkhat? Yes, you can join the Chalkhat, and we'll send the link through. I posted this all information to YouTube also, where we post all the Chalkhat links, and you can join the Chalkhats and you can ask question anytime. You can message me also. Trisul is joining. Trisula is joining. Hi, Trisula. Dulu is written here. Hi, sir. Hi. So nice to talk to you, Poonam. It's a very pleasurable moment to talk to you after so many times. It's 10, 15 years. You
Yes,
are
I think
doing,
around 15 years.
yeah. So, through internet we can meet after so many
Yes,
long times.
yes,
Uh,
definitely.
So this is about the small business, how Poonam started and get successfully.
One more thing, Avinash, I would like to
Yeah,
add. Like when I started, the best part about online business is you don't need to keep stock. Because जब आप store करते हो, तो you need to fill your store so that वो भरा भरा लगे. When
yeah,
customers walk in, they should know that you have good stuff inside. But when you're doing online, like when I started, honestly, मेरे पास सिर्फ एक फ्लावर ज्वेलरी का सेट था और सिर्फ कुछ मेरे पास चीजें थी और उससे मैंने फोटोशूट किया और जैसे जैसे ऑर्डर्स आने लगे अकॉर्डिंगली मैं कारीगर से बनवा बनवा के उसको ऑर्डर करती गई. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट ऑनलाइन थिंग इज कि आपके पास अगर लिमिटेड स्टॉक भी है, यू डोंट नीड टू रीफिल, यू नीड, आपका स्टॉक का पैसा फंसेगा नहीं कहीं ऑनलाइन में. अगर
हाँ,
आपको कुछ चीजों का शौक है, आप एक सामान भी है, आप उसकी फोटो क्लिक करो, आप अपने पेज पे डालो और अगर उसके जैसे जैसे ऑर्डर्स की डिमांड बढ़ते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली आप अपना सप्लाई चेन बढ़ा सकते हो. यू डोंट नीड टू कीप स्टॉक इन एडवांस एंड गेट इट स्टक. क्योंकि आए दिन लोगों के टेस्ट चेंज हो रहे हैं, आए दिन फैशन चेंज होता है. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि आपका स्टॉक इसमें कभी फंसने का डर नहीं है ऑनलाइन बिजनेस
हाँ.
में.
वैसे भी हम लोग वेबसाइट खोलते हैं तो उसमें रहता है कि कुछ चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें डालनी है तभी तो ये वेबसाइट लगेगा. तो
हाँ.
ऐसा इस मामले में भी जैसे आपका व्हाट्सएप है और फिर फेसबुक है और इंस्टाग्राम है, ये काफी अच्छा प्ले रोल
इट्स
करता है और
गुड.
इज टोटली
वेरी
फ्री
गुड.
ऑफ कॉस्ट. और
फ्री
हमें
ऑफ
कोई,
कॉस्ट.
और हम लोग ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं विदाउट, मतलब हम लोग को जरूरी नहीं है कि वो पेटेंट करवाना हो और ये करवाना हो,
नहीं
ट्रेडमार्क लेना
नहीं.
हो और बिजनेस रजिस्टर करवाना हो. बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ छूट देती है, कुछ लोगों को अराउंड 20 लाख से ऊपर हो तभी इनकम टैक्स वगैरह फाइल
राइट.
करने की जरूरत है.
राइट.
अदरवाइज आप स्मॉल
राइट.
बिजनेस ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. और सो मेनी गुड
राइट.
थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन इंटरनेट डेली. वी हैव टू अपडेट. Abhishek is joining. Nice, sir. Good. Thank you for Abhishek to coming. So this is the all the information we are getting from Poonam. It's very thankful to Poonam.
Thank you so much, Avinash, for joining
हाँ,
me.
yeah,
It was a great
thank,
pleasure from my side also. It was really
uh,
nice.
yeah, sure. We are also joining for some other sessions with some more vital or more information about the business or other topic with Poonam also in some other time. Till the time, stay safe, stay connected, and keep smiling always. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Poonam, for coming. Arpit Goyal is
Thank
joining.
you.
Thank you, Arpit, for joining. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Avinash. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.